How to get dark mode on Snapchat? First of all, make sure that you have your Snapchat installed to its latest version. Go through the Google Play Store. On the search bar, you can just search for Snapchat and you can install it like this. If you have it already installed, then you can simply open the Snapchat on your phone. After you open this, you will now see an interface like this. Here, in the top left corner, you will see your profile. When you tap on it, again you will see an interface like this. And now, on the top right corner, you will see an gear option. And when you tap on it, you will see this page. Now, just scroll down and down unless you see the option of app appearance, which is just above the public profile settings. Just tap on it, and if you click on always dark, then your theme will be dark mode. If you click on always light, then your theme will be on the light mode. So this is how you do it. You can even change the theme the way you want to. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, please subscribe our channel.